Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, the last time that I uploaded Caramia's challenge to doing a true junk journal, I did only 2 signatures and I figured I'd sneak one in there, an extra one. So if you have not already watched that video, I would suggest that you go and do so. And if you have not already subscribed to Caramia's channel, please go over and show her some support. All right, so I do have some goodies here that sorry, that's my husband playing his video games. I do have some ephemera here that is like junk mail or paint stuff. But you can see that there's like jean tags or shirt tags or some friend stuff, some friend gift wrapping, and some baker's twine, I think is what they call it. So I've probably been referring to it as the wrong name. But anyways, so here's some goodies that we can add to our journal. We're going to be working on our cover today and embellishing some of our, or making some ephemera to embellish our journal. So that's what we will be doing today. So before I start moving forward, I want to go through the first signature that I worked on without you guys seeing it on camera. So this is going to be a little pocket. This is actually from Terry. From Terry's place. She sent a cute little Happy Mail box, and this was the lining that was in there. So I decided to keep that and, you know, incorporate it into the journal. And here's some more of the junk journaling pages that I got from recycled books. So here's just a quick little flip through because it's all repetitive, right? Okay, so that is our third one. And I think I'm quite happy with the thickness of it now. Yeah. I had this like cross stitch paper. Well, I don't know what it is, but you can see that I cut out some shapes here. And this is what I want for my cover because I think it would be really, really cool. So I have, like this is from a postcard, and I think I want to go ahead and use it, recycle it. And let's see, this was sent from Happy Mail just to protect like what they were sending. I think this might have been from Felicia. And this is actually from a packaging for like scent, like a scent. They're like little sticks or whatever. So this is the backing. Figured I could use that. Yeah, you could see it right there. Okay, so these are the shapes that I cut out, and I figured that they would look so super cute with the journal. So we have a bear, a rocking horse, and I pre-cut these to save us some time. Oop, and a record player. And I think they all look cute with the journal. I think I started going towards like a Christmas theme, but I don't want to go Christmas theme. I'll show you what they kind of look like in the front. So there's that one. Ooh, I hate my nails today. A bear. I do like the teddy bear. I think it's very cute. This little girl with the balloons and I guess holding a little sister. That might be a mom, not quite sure. The rocking horse. I think it's so cute. My mom actually has a picture of me as being a little girl, and I was a chunky little thing and I toppled over. And it's so cute because you can see my expression going from happy to being like, what just happened? And a record player. How cute is that? Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is I want this and this and one of these pictures, which I think I'm going to end up going with the bear because I have what I call like an embosser with teddy bears on it that I picked up at a thrift shop, and I figured I could emboss some papers or something and make a cute little design, and it would go really cute. And I already like the way that this looks, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this down to size. But yes, I think this will be my cover. Super simple, but I like it. Alrighty. So I've marked where I want to cut this. And I might do some sewing on this because I think that's going to look really cute. So there's that one. And now this one. I like the like egg looking thing on it. I don't know what to call it. I guess a design maybe. And I'm going to keep these because I may or may not use them again. So I've got some distress ink here. And I'm just gonna go around the border. I know my videos might try to be peaceful, but let's be real. That's not gonna happen in this household. And this one as well. This is the only oxide I have, I think, besides a orange one. And I'm not gonna use orange because I don't think that would be appealing with the red. All right, let's have a look at that. Oh, that's cute. And with the stitching, are you kidding me? That's gonna look so adorbs. Where's my bear? Here's my bear. I feel like it's missing a sentiment or something up here, huh? Like we're missing something. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and stitch it and then be right back. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and I stitched this, and I really would have liked to have done it on the outer part here, but I messed up and it came out pretty close to the edge and I went, nah! And once you start sewing, you obviously can't go back. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut this word out along with this since it was all in the same theme. You see, I was like that, and then it says folk art. And I think I want to just keep the word country. Sorry, I hope y'all can hear me. And I kind of distressed the bear a little bit. Let me bring you guys closer. All right, there we go. So that's gonna go like this. And I think I want this up top, like so. But I think I want to go through with my scissors and kind of like distress this a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do this to distress it a little bit because I think that's gonna look cute, right? This is giving me like a cabin feel, like you would be out at a cabin doing some journaling or something. That's what I feel with this cutie. I think at one point we did stay at a cabin that was bear themed, and then the other one was like cowboys and Indians, something or other. The first time I ever gone, oh my goodness, it literally took my breath away. I was so overwhelmed with joy. And when we opened up the window to play some pool, there was some deer sitting outside of the window. And I was so mesmerized by how pretty they were. What do you think? That's cute. All right, let's glue this puppy down. I'm quite happy with that. And this is all from junk. So definitely hop on the challenge, you guys. I think this will definitely challenge you guys. Sorry, maybe today was not the day to record.
Did it, Paul? I think you are hungry.
What? All right, so that's gonna go here. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna glue it down. That makes me so happy. And I'm recycling. All right, I've got the glue plastered on there and I left the little strings on there because why not? And she's going down. Oh, that is so cute. This is gonna go up on my Poshmark, you guys, and I'll be linking that down below once she's finished. If anybody's interested. Oh, look how cute that is. Very cute. No? Okay. All right, next up, let's make a master board together. Sorry if y'all are shaking a little bit. And the last time I brought out some of these papers that friends gave to me from like Happy Mails, like swap and glues. So I will be incorporating some of these papers in here and some leftover junk that I didn't get to use the last time. But come on along and see what cuteness overload we can come up with. I've got this that Wanda sent me from A Day in My World. And I'm gonna cut these little pictures out because I love those birds and that butterfly and the flowers.
patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Waiting, but I love you. Still craving your kiss. Dream a little dreamer.
So I like these words, but the stuff in the back shows up, so I'm gonna have to continue on working on this collage. Masterboard and see what I can come up with. I feel like I'm not making much progress. I was too optimistic the other day about how great I am at collaging, and look at me now.
Night breezes seem to.
So if you're struggling with collaging like I did for the longest time, my suggestion is to find corners. Like this is a corner, right? Corner, corner, and you just place something right over that corner. Well, this is my take on it. Obviously, y'all might have y'all's own technique, or y'all may already know what y'all are doing. But this is what helped me comprehend collaging on another level, because it just wasn't happening for me. But I feel this is what made me feel more confident in it and more happy with it, because at first I felt like I didn't feel joy doing it, but now I do. Obviously, I'm still struggling because I'm new at it.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Alright, I think I want this to be down here. Yes, baby. You ripped my paper. I think I like that there. Okay. That's cute. Oh my gosh, if y'all could see the mess that I've made here. It's intense. Okay, so here's my master board. And now, we're gonna cut it into shapes so that I can make cute little tags out of it. But since I've got words, I'm gonna go based off of that. So let's see what we got here. I think I want to use Be Brave, so I'm gonna cut to right down the middle here. Okay. Maybe a little more. And now I'm gonna turn it this way. May have cut too much. No, that's kind of cute, huh? All right, so there's that. And maybe right here. That'll make for a cute little journaling card. I should have just cut all the way through on that one. Oh well. And be kind. That's kind of pretty. I like that. And I'm gonna see if I can make some ephemera now. maybe just a little, couple tags, maybe a couple of journaling spots, and go from there. I do have this envelope here, and I could recycle the back to use as journaling spots for these little cards, and I won't waste a thing. So that's what I'm gonna maybe sew on the back of those little masterboard cards. Hi guys, all right, so I'm back now. Can y'all see all my mess this has turned into while I was off camera and my phone was charging? And I should have recorded it, but anyways, I was like, the show must go on. I've made a couple of ephemeras. These are from some pages that y'all saw me do into a little, what is it called? Masterboard. This is a paint swatch from Lowe's. And I know that y'all can't see the writing of it, but let us see. It is a paint swatch, I promise. So I'm still sticking to the junk journal stuff. I did some stitching around this, some stitching around here. I also backed them up with some more junk papers, having used this little, used to be a little password book, but clearly throughout the years, times have changed. And I also used some paper bags to make the backs of these cuties. This is a page book that I think Vagabond Crafter gave me, and I thought it would be super fitting since I'm making a little bear journal, and he's too cute. I got this from the book, just tore off little pieces here and there. You see, here's the page of the book, and little bear said, "I love you, Grandpa, you're so clever." And here's the paper bag. I know it doesn't look the prettiest. More paper bags. I did a little tab here with the flower from some paper. I thought that would add a cute little touch to it, and some green thread because I think that looks really, really nice. On the next series or whatever, the next little episode, I will be putting these inside the journal because I think I've had you guys here for much too long, and this has taken me longer than it should have. I'm a very slow crafter, so there would have been no way that y'all would have enjoyed sitting here with me the whole entire time. This is what we got done today. So I feel productive, very slow, productive person. If I could get everything to get focused on this thing. So these are the cuties we've made for today. I will catch you guys on the next one. Y'all please take care. I hope y'all had fun, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Okay, love you guys. Bye.